Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We're tracking summer feeling temperatures for today and nice low humidity as well. A pretty pleasant Sunday is in store. Heading into tomorrow, high heat and humidity. Heat advisories may even be possible. They're not issued yet, but we're keeping an eye on that as we'll be right near the danger zone in terms of the heat. Plus, several days with sunshine. We'll get some this afternoon and a few more days this week. Also looking ahead to the 4th of July weekend next weekend. If you're heading out this morning, right now feeling comfortable, 67 degrees in Syracuse, low to mid 60s for most of Central New York. Notice a couple spots already peaking into the 70s for Western New York, and those are areas that are seeing more sunshine than we are here in Syracuse. Still stuck in the clouds for Watertown, Oswego, Syracuse, Old Forge, but more sun further south towards Binghamton and for the Western Finger Lakes and heading into Rochester and Buffalo. The cloud cover that's overhead, though, is starting to break up a bit with some peaks of sun, and it will gradually shed away to the east today as high pressure builds in. That's going to keep us nice and dry, bring us sunshine, low humidity, and we'll get some milder temperatures compared to yesterday behind this cold front. However, another push of high heat and humidity arrives tomorrow from this next weather system that may also bring us the threat of severe storms Monday night. And you can see the heat and humidity on the way into Central New York. Yesterday, we got up to a high of 89 in Syracuse. We'll get this cooler air mass for today, but 90s is on the way for tomorrow. Timing this out with our futurecast this morning, nice and mild, mostly cloudy for Central New York. Temperatures in the 60s. By lunchtime, we'll be in the lower 70s. This afternoon, climbing into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. And the clouds for Eastern New York will gradually shed away to sunshine. Clear skies tonight and cooling down quickly. By sunset in the mid 70s, lower 60s as we go overnight. So a nice mild start to the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, but it will be heating up rather quickly. And the reason for the heat advisories is because we will be near that danger zone, as I mentioned. We'll be climbing from the 60s to around 80 by lunchtime, lower 90s in the afternoon. But this is the actual temperature. Because of the humidity, which dew points will be in the low to mid 60s for the second half of the day, here's what it's actually going to feel like. 60s for the morning, feeling like 80 by 10 a.m., mid 80s at lunchtime, lower 90s for the early afternoon, and in the danger zone near 95 or higher for the afternoon hours between about 3 up until 6 p.m. So it is going to be quite hot and humid and not much relief from the wind either. Wind speeds around 3 to 8 miles per hour. Monday night, there is a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, mainly to the south and east of Syracuse, but it's only a level 1 out of 5, so a rather low risk. But there still could be some strong to severe thunderstorms come Tuesday. We've got a couple of rounds. Between the rain will be in the lower 80s on Tuesday. Sunshine returns Wednesday, still in the lower 80s. Afternoon scattered thunderstorms Thursday, upper 70s. Then the sunshine returns for 4th of July, upper 70s, climbing into the mid 80s and staying dry, partly sunny on Saturday. Caitlin?